All right, in this video we're going to show you how to charge the battery for the Canon EOS R. And this is the charging port here. All we got to do is slip our battery in there and then plug it in. All right, so this is the battery that comes with it. You're going to notice on one side there's some contacts, and if you look in there you'll see there's contacts. So this has to slip in there like that, and bam, Bob's your uncle. Now all you got to do is open this up and plug it into a wall socket. Okay, so we're going to do that right now. All right, so here's our battery. This is our charger. We've opened up our plug, right? Just got to pop it open. And then you just have to set it into the wall socket here. And when you do, you're going to notice that this top one turns on orange. When this bottom one is green, that will mean that it's fully charged. So we're just going to wait for that to happen, and then we'll come back and check it out. All right, it's been a couple hours, and guess what? We got a green light. So that means that this battery is fully charged. So we can pull it out. You'll notice that the lights go out once I pull it off, and I flip this over so it doesn't stick out. And now we can take this battery out of here, and we can put it in our camera. All right, so now we can go ahead and take the battery out of its charger. Let's move the charger over here. And then the way we put the battery in is we're going to look for the grip. We're going to turn the camera over, and there's a little gateway or door here. And all I've got to do is push my little thumb against this, and it opens up. And if you look inside, you're going to see where the contacts are. They're right down there. You see that? And so here's your contact side. You want to go in contact side, and you may have to push against this little lever a little bit to get the battery in. So we're just going to kind of smush it down like that. And then all I'm going to do is just push that battery in. Once it's in, I'm ready to go. Bam. And that's how you put the battery in your Canon EOS R mirrorless camera. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to use this thing. Peace out.